Hello everyone, welcome to another video in my channel. Today in this video I'll explore about certification. The certification will be important for all the professionals or the freshers who want to start their career in data analytics domain. As you all know, nowadays data analytics is very trending domain, and if you can land your job as a data analytics role or data analyst role, you can start your job as 6 lakh per annum. It's an average salary for a fresher, and for experience you can get up to 20 lakh per annum based on your experience and based on your overall switches in your overall career. Okay, so let's discuss about the certification program. Firstly, I want to mention that this certification will be backing by Google. So if you are able to complete the certification, you can mention this certification in your resume and you will directly receive the certification from Google. As this certification is from Google, it will be a little bit intermediate level certification. But if you have basic understanding of data analytics, then you can easily enroll for this certification. So how to enroll for this certification? For that, you just need to create an account in Coursera, and after that, you can just search for the certification, which is Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate. I'll also provide this link in my video description so that you can also check and apply for the certification. Now let's discuss about the certification details, and after that I'll provide my recommendation on the certification. So firstly, you can get here how many courses you need to finish so that you can get the certification from Google. So there are total 9 courses in this series. Okay, so upon completion of these all courses, you will get the certificate from Google. Overall rating you can get it's 4.8 within 5, and more than 1 lakh reviews it has already received. So you can consider this certification as a great certification to start your career as a data analyst. Also, they have mentioned it will take almost 6 months to complete. So if you are in your final semester, or if you want to switch your domain into next 6 months, then you can start this certification program from today only. And here they have also mentioned how much time you need to give for this certification actually. So at 10 hours a week they have mentioned. So you can check and provide your time accordingly. Now what you will learn. So this area is very important because from here only you need to provide all the skills in your resume when you completed the certification. So you can get these all skills in this certification program. So what are the skills? These are the data structures, Tableau software, data ethics, interviewing skills, application tracking system, data analysis, data validation, sampling, data cleansing, spreadsheet, data presentation, object-oriented programming, ggplot2, data visualization, stakeholder communication, data literacy, R Markdown, R software, and data storytelling. So whenever you are completing this certification, you can mention these all skills in your resume and your LinkedIn profile as well. So that after completion of this certification, you can start receiving the job alerts related to data analytics. Okay. Then here they have mentioned what are the 9 courses. Okay, so it will start with the foundations, which will provide you the details about the data, how to look into all the data, it might be structured or unstructured. Then ask question to make data driven decision. Whenever you are getting any kind of data, you need to ask a lot of question so that you can consider a decision on those data. It will be a 15 hours of course, so it will be little bit detailed. So next it will be prepared data for exploration. So here it will show you how to use the ETL framework and how to prepare the data for cleansing. The next phase will be data cleansing, which will be process data from dirty to clean, which is it is very important in data analytics. So it will be very important course for you whenever you are learning this one. Then analyze data to answer questions. So here it will learn how you can analyze the data and you can get a lot of insights from here. Then share data through art of visualization. Here it will taught you about the Tableau software. So as you all know, Tableau is a huge data visualization tool. So if you can finish this course, you can get all the visualization knowledge on Tableau, and you can also start visualizing the data and insights. Then data analysis with R programming. You will be getting all the knowledge about R programming, and you can also get the overall skills on how you can do the data analytics with R. Then the last course will be Google Data Analytics Capstone. So here it will ask you to complete a project and submit the project within a timeline. So if you can complete the project and if you can submit the project within that timeline, it will be considered as pass. And then there is one more skill, which is accelerate your job search with AI. Here they will teach you how you can search for the data analytics job using AI. So once you complete all these course, then you can get the certificate, and the certificate will be directly from Google. It will be a shareable certificate. You can share the certificate in LinkedIn and your profile also. And as the certification will be from Google, it will be a huge value adding certification in your overall profile, and you will start getting the job alerts and the interview calls in data analytics roles. So below they have mentioned some frequently asked question also, you can check from here. And if you want to enroll for this, you can click on this enroll button and you can enroll for this program. Generally, Coursera charges some amount to purchase the subscription. So you can purchase a subscription for 3 to 4 months so that you can complete the courses. If you are a student, I can assure you that you can complete the course within 3 to 4 months and get the certificate. And if you are a working professional, then you need to hold for at least 6 months, because you will get some less time actually compared to the freshers and students. So you can focus on your data analytics skill whenever you are available, and you can complete all the course to get the certification. So that's all about the course curriculum. According to me, this is a great course as it is directly featured into Google. And if you are someone who are aspiring into data analytics roles, you should pursue this course and finish the certification program within next 6 months. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. And if you want to get more certification updates and job updates, you can subscribe this channel. And if the video is helpful for you, you can like this video and stay tuned with us to get regular job updates and course related updates like that. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.